thanks for joining me. So yesterday I created a painting for my oldest daughter Tiana and her husband David, and it was for their wedding. And today I am going to be doing one for my youngest son Dustin and his wife Elizabeth. At the end of the video I will show you the dried results of the one from yesterday. Hopefully it'll be dried by the time I am editing this so that I can show that to you. The canvas I'm going to use today is a 10 by 20 by Loft. The colors I'll be using are Titanium White by Master's Touch for the base. And then I will use Pearlescent Black by Master's Touch. Extreme Glitter Black by FolkArt. Pearls Dioxazine Purple by DecoArt. Metallic Red by Loft. Admiral Blue by Apple Barrel. Pearl Royal Purple by Arteza. Neon Pink by FolkArt. And on the top, Pearlescent Green by Master's Touch. So the way that I do these kinds of paintings is I find out each of their top 4 favorite colors. And then I alternate them so that in the center they will be one on top of the other, but on one end it will be his favorite colors, on the other end are her favorite colors. So that's how I get the intermixed in here. And the reason that I put the 4 on the ends is because that's to symbolize their lives before they got married, and then the center symbolizes their lives once they got married, how the two become one. Alright, I am going to flood my canvas and I'll be right back. Alright, the canvas has been flooded, the bubbles have been popped. I pulled out some hairs and little fuzzies out of it. So let's get the colors laid down. Alright, I'm going to start with Pearlescent Black. Make my little dots so I know where to go. Okay. I like this Pearlescent Black. It has gold in it too, or bronze, but I think it's gold. And it's really pretty. Alright, So on the other one, I thought I had enough color in the center, but it really wasn't blowing out as much as I was wanting it to. So I think I'm going to add a little extra in the center just to make sure that I have enough. Okay, and then the extreme glitter black. Ugh, why are you dripping already? We'll go to right about there. Oh man, this one dripped all over the place. Alright. I like these bigger bottles. They hold a lot more paint. They're an 8 ounce, whereas these other bottles are a 6 ounce. But they also have a bigger opening, so you have to be careful when you're pouring them out, or you'll get way too much. Okay, Pearls Dioxazine Purple. Metallic red. Admiral blue. Pearl Royal Purple. Now see, I think last time I didn't have enough color in the center, and this time I have a feeling I'm going to have too much color in the center. And probably too much along the sides too. But I don't know. I'm not sure which is worse, having too much or too little. Neon pink. Pearlescent green. There's already some intermixing going on in here, and I'm liking what I'm seeing, so hopefully it will turn out really, really beautiful. Okay, I'm going to torch the bubbles one more time. And I'm going to start here, blow down, and then alternate. This is gorgeous. I love it. Wow. Wanted to get a little bit more of that pearlescent black out here. Oh, it is so pretty. Oh, this has interacted so beautifully in here. There is just a rainbow of colors through this. I love it. It is gorgeous. I'm wondering if I want to try to pull this one down just a little bit. I don't know that it's necessary though. I'm liking the colors that are in there, so I might just leave that like it is. Especially since I blew this one this way. I don't think it's necessary for it to fill that space per se. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna clean up my edges and I'll bring you down for a close-up. Wow, like I said, this is absolutely gorgeous. I love how that black has the gold in it as well. Look how much shimmer it has because of that. And that's even with the lights on. And the pearlescents are so pretty. How that has that little bit of color there. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. These are so full of so many colors. Oh, look at that. How pretty it is. Look at those cells. Wow. This is, I love it. And look at how those are. Oh, wow. And at first there wasn't really any cells, but there's some coming up, so I like that part right there too. So neat. And look at this rainbow of colors, just bursting forth with colors. And then you have that part that's hidden underneath. You can tell that there's color under the white, but then look at what happens at the end of this. All of those beautiful, beautiful cells coming up. Wow. It is so pretty. So obviously this one is not for sale, but if you would like to commission a wedding gift, reach out to me at tammievaughanart@gmail.com. Alright, here's this. Now I'm going to shut off the overheads and we'll look at it with just the flash on. Oh wow. Get all of that shimmer in there. And the glitter from that black. It's one of the reasons I like using extreme glitters. Yeah, the black doesn't show up a whole lot. It looks kind of gray or silver, but it really adds so much extra sparkle to it. Interacts with the other colors, and it just makes it look so pretty. Look at those cells. Oh, I love this. I love it. That is just so beautiful. Alrighty. Well, let me know in the comments what you think of this. I absolutely love it. Would love it if you would click on the like button. Helps my videos get shown to more people, and it helps me know if you would like to see more videos like this. If you haven't subscribed to me yet, I would love for you to click the subscribe button. And thank you to all of my current subscribers. Thank you so much for all of your support. All right, I'll catch you later. Bye, and God bless. Hey y'all, thanks for joining me. I just wanted to show you the dried results of the painting that I did for my oldest daughter Tiana and her husband David. Here it is. It's really beautiful. I can't wait to get a coat of resin on this. It's gonna look so pretty. All of these are the pearlescent colors, so they are gonna really be gorgeous when they get resined. There's so much shimmer even with it dry. Alright, there it is. I'll catch you later. Bye, and God bless.